In the name of God, hello and welcome dear friends. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set up and use the live guided tour feature in the 3DVista. First of all, you need to open your project. I prefer to use live guided tour in 3D model in first person view mode. So this mode is more efficient in live guided tours. So you only need to go to the publish page and select the web and mobile, and then go here and check this box, live guided tour, and then set a password here. I set a simple admin password here, and then publish. Select your destination folder and publish. There is another option here, turn service. So we don't need to activate this one. If someone works behind or restricted network that the firewall does not allow them to make the peer-to-peer connection, then they need to subscribe the turn service in 3DVista, and then they will receive a username and password, and then they can use this service to make available the live guided tour. So we don't need these services, and then we just need to select our destination folder and just publish. Okay, now we need to make our visual tour online to be able to share a live guided tour with our friends or students or customers. So we can publish the tour in our personal website, or in this quick tutorial I will use some online services like Netlify here. So for this service I just need to compress all of my published files to a zip file. So compress to zip, and then just simple drag and drop, just waiting a few seconds or maybe a few minutes. Yeah, it depends on the size of your visual tour. So now it's ready to preview. Let's preview it. Okay, now my visual tour is online and we can interact with it. Okay, now let's invite someone to join our tour. So for this tutorial I will just use another browser. So I will open my Firefox browser and then just copy paste the link here, and will act as another user. Okay, now we have two browsers open here. Okay, so the left one is the host browser and the right one is the client browser. Okay, in the host browser I make a right click and then click on start live guided session as a host. Except for the first time maybe you need to allow some permissions here, but I already did the permissions. Okay, so I just need to type the host's name, teacher, and the password. We have to type the password that we already set in the 3DVista before the publishing. So the password was admin. Okay, press the connect button. Okay, allow. Okay, now the live guided tour is started and you can see the pop-up help guide here. You can learn how to use these buttons, but they are quite simple. You don't need to use this tutorial. If you press this button you can close your session. If you press this one you can, for example, sometime you are already in a live guided session with another one and don't want to allow other users join your live guided tour. So at that time you just make it unavailable for others, and you can continue your live guided tour with the people that they already joined your tour. Okay, so I will make it available. So in the second window, in the client or customer window, I will click I will just refresh the page, and now here you can see the join session button. If user press the button, it asks the permission to access the webcam, I allow the permission and just type name here, student, and then connect. And here the host will see this page, and if hello, okay, now the user joined into our live guided session. So now user can follow what the host or teacher they will do during the live guided tour, and also they can interact with the tool by themselves. If they deactivate this option, then they can navigate by themselves. So let me go and stay here. Okay, now you can see the teacher and the students, they are face to face. Okay, both of them they can interact separately to the tool, and they can talk to each other, and they can point somewhere. For example, if the students point here, okay, if I click here, you can see the beam. Okay, the beam you can see that shows the target. Okay. And also teacher can lock the interaction, and then students they only have to follow the teacher like this. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite simple. And you can develop your own live guided tool, and then try to use other options to learn how it is. Thank you for your watching.